Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Tech Over. Today in this video I'm just going to be showing you how we can comment a GIF on any Instagram post. So if you just want to know about this trick, follow my video instruction. The first step, you just have to check the last update version of this application in the Play Store of your Android device, and if you are an Android user it means you're the lucky one, because the GIF option has been available today in 18th of May in a lot of Android devices. So you can see I just updated my Instagram to the last version. Now I'll show you how we can comment that. So once I just update, I'm going to open and just going to check for comment sections, and you can see I will get that GIF option. So let's go ahead to use this option here to commenting on any of our friends' posts. So I'm going to use this one, and you can see it's working great. If you don't get this option in your Android device, don't worry, it will be available very soon in this week. So it's all about how you can comment a GIF on Instagram. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.